What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and today me and my little cousin, we're trying out TikTok recipes. My bad, cousins with the S. We're trying out TikTok recipes. So today we'll be making Kool-Aid slushies.
Today we're making delicious homemade Kool-Aid slushies. Start by putting 1.5 cups of cold water into a blender. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 package of Kool-Aid. I'm using cherry. Add 3 to 4 cups of ice cubes.
It should look like this.
Now blend it up.
Oh, yes.
Fill your glasses. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's give it a shot. So good. You may have to stir it sometimes, but it's even better with a tiny spoon.
And I'm gonna get y'all ingredients out right now. Okay, what you will need is
On the cabinet.
1/2 of cold water, some sugar, 1 package of Kool-Aid, any kind you want, and some ice. Now start to put your ingredients in. Wire. Put some sugar, as much as you want. It don't matter. Kool-Aid. Add the ice. Then put on the top, hold it, and start blending. Done blending it till it gets to this consistency. Then get you however much you want in a cup and enjoy. The taste is immaculate. 10 out of 10. We'll make again. Rate it.
10 out of 10.
Rate it.
9 out of 10.
Alright, y'all. So y'all can see we enjoyed it. Come back for some more content, and I'll see y'all in the next video.